In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add level in Revit. If you're building anything with multiple floors or reference heights, levels are the backbone of your model. They control where floor plans, ceilings, and many key elements live, so getting comfortable with placing them is essential. To begin, make sure you're looking at your project from the right angle. Levels are 2D datums that you place in vertical views, so open an elevation or a section view. The easiest way is to head to your project browser and double-click any elevation or a section you've already created. If you try to do this in a floor plan or a 3D view, the level tool won't be available, so switching to a vertical view is the first and most important step. Once you're in an elevation or section, go to the Level tool. On the top ribbon, click the Architecture tab. In the Datum panel, click Level. As soon as you activate it, your cursor will change, and you'll see that Revit is ready to place a horizontal datum line. Now it's time to draw the level line. Click in the drawing window to start your new level line. Position your cursor where you want the level to be measured vertically. As you move the mouse horizontally, you'll see a horizontal line follow the cursor. This is Revit, helping you keep the level perfectly straight across the view. Take a moment to watch the tooltip near your cursor. It usually shows the elevation value so you can place the level at a precise height relative to your project's base. When you're satisfied with the height, click again to place the level line. Revit will create the new level at that height. You'll see a level head and elevation marker at one end, and the line will stretch across your view. That line is your reference for floors, roofs, and other elements you want to lock to a specific elevation. If you need to refine the graphics later, you can adjust the extents or visibility like you would with any other datum, but the essential placement is complete. A couple of quick tips as you work. Zoom in before clicking to avoid placing a level a few inches off your intended height, and use the view's crop region to make sure you can see enough of the model to align things clearly. If you're coordinating with other levels, pausing as you move the mouse will help you read the height value and stay consistent across your project. And that's it. You've opened the correct view, used the Level tool from the Architecture tab, and placed a clean, accurate level line.